Hello guys and welcome again in another new design video where I will present to you a new tutorial for a logo design. Today's logo is a minimalist logo for a software as a service company. Its name is French SMS. This SaaS provides chatbot for their users so it can help them to communicate with their buyers. For the inspiration step, I always use Pinterest. It's my favorite inspiration source. After generating some idea, I will move to my sketch note where I will change ideas to shape. The idea is use French flag plus message bubbles as an icon and the brand image.
You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, You color my life, you break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time, I'm falling for you. And tell me your secrets, I will tell you my secrets. We are different polos, but I like it. Why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, my, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, baby? I'm almost breathing, tell me why, baby, do you look so pretty and you smile, yeah.
Thanks for watching my video. I will be very happy to see your comments and your support. Peace.
You smile,